Welcome to Chef Bimal kitchen. Today I am going to prepare very yummy recipe which is Palak Paneer, and it is basically Indian vegetarian recipe which is very simple to make. I hope you enjoy this recipe. So first of all, I am going to add 2 liters of water. One teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon of baking soda, which is going to help us to retain the color of spinach. Now I am going to add 350 gram of spinach and I am going to blanch it for 2 minutes. Now I am going to add 1 liter of water and 500 gram of ice cube. Now I am going to transfer blanched spinach into ice water and I am going to cool down fastly. So it has been cooled down. Now I am going to squeeze excess water from it and I am going to put into blender. Now I am going to add 15 gram of coriander leaves and I am going to make it fine puree. So you can see the puree is so fine and smooth, and it is also bright green in color. Now I have taken 80 ml of mustard oil and I am going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and I am going to stir it. Now I am going to add 15 gram of chopped garlic, 15 gram of chopped ginger, and I am going to saute it well. Now I am going to add half cup of chopped onion and I am going to saute it again. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of chopped green chilli, one cup of chopped tomato, and I am going to saute it again. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and salt to taste. Now I am going to saute it well. So now masala is ready. Now I am going to add spinach puree into it. And I am going to stir it well, otherwise it is going to burn. Now I am going to add 400 gram of paneer which has been cut already, and I am going to add 1 tablespoon of cream. So Palak Paneer is ready now. Now I am going to transfer it into serving bowl. and I'm going to garnish it with cream and butter. So Palak Paneer is ready now, and I'm going to try it how it is. Wow, it tastes so yummy, and it is very simple to make. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. So if you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.